Hello everyone, this is Steve from Stormy Sky Rail Productions. Just want to give everyone a heads up this upcoming week, Saturday through next Sunday the 15th. Jenny and I have prior obligations and commitments to family and other doings. So we won't be around YouTube as much. We'll try to get on as much as we can. I know we answer everybody's comments in a timely fashion, but this next coming week, everybody's like, well, where are they? Well, we're still here. It's going to be a well-deserved break for Jenny and I also to get in gear for a lot of premiere editing later on this upcoming fall and winter. We've been shooting a lot of premiere footage this last summer and spring. Looking forward to rolling that out. Just like any other network TV, everybody's gone doing things during the summer, so when fall time comes around, the premiere season starts. So same concept that we're having. So we will try to be there for everybody this week if we can. But in the meantime, I'd like to thank and give a lot of loving and support to Dave Nitch, who works behind the scenes doing the notifications and stuff and shooting his video. So he will be having a premiere video tomorrow and next Saturday. So please look forward to seeing his two premiere videos and feel free to join in and say hi. So after this, we get back and settled in. We're going to be really editing the video for the upcoming premiere. So hopefully everybody looks forward to that again. So we would really personally like to thank everybody for their support for this channel. It's been a great time meeting new people and everything else. We just need a little well-deserved break while we have these commitments to take care of. So looking forward to seeing everybody at the upcoming premieres later on this fall. And please join in. We will have videos scheduled every day while we are gone, including later on this afternoon. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that like button. Every time you watch a video, hit that like button and hit that notifications bell. This way you'll get all the notifications on a timely fashion. So please give your love and support to Dave Nitch in the next coming week. And this is Steve and Jenny's at work. From both of us, this is Stormy Sky Rail Productions, out.